90% of the people don't know they're making the same mistake, which is losing them thousands of opportunities on LinkedIn. And I made the same mistake for years, but today I stand at 170,000 followers, and it all started by following my 5-step framework and discovering something that completely changed the game. I'll tell you everything in this video. Let's get started without any further ado. Make sure you like and subscribe to our video so that you don't miss these updates. Hi everyone, my name is Kushal Vijay. I work as a software engineer with Microsoft, and in today's video I'll help you optimize your LinkedIn to skyrocket your opportunities on daily basis. See, I'll be very honest with you. I have a decent following on LinkedIn and I have been creating content for so many years. But even today I see people having less following and still getting a lot of engagement, lot of better collaborations, opportunities and connections on LinkedIn. And it is actually very frustrating. Either you are a student, founder, business owner or working professional who is trying to build their brand on LinkedIn or create awareness or make connections, there's a high chance you are also facing the same situation. Your connections are not growing, you're not getting that reach even though you're putting so much hard work in creating content and sharing value. It was all the same until I got a message from someone who said, Kushal, your content is great, but your profile does not do justice to who you are. And that actually hit me hard. There are so many people putting so much efforts like me and still not getting that recognition. And honestly, LinkedIn is just not your resume, it's your personal brand platform. And if you're not growing it till today, this video, this 5-step framework should be your starting point to grow your LinkedIn, to start building your brand. Now, before I jump on to what I did to fix this, I'll tell you the 5-step framework that you can do right now and fix your LinkedIn to a good extent. Later on, we'll talk about what experiments I did to improve my LinkedIn optimization and get more opportunities. First, the headline test. Your headline should answer what's in it for me. If a recruiter, a business owner, a founder or a CEO is coming to your profile, then they should understand what's in there for them. Instead of just writing software engineer at XYZ company, you should be writing helping startups to build scalable solutions or similar to those things. Or maybe write things like helping brands scale, or people like helping brands to generate leads, or your skill specifically on which you want to get to your profile shortlisted. The summary story. Your summary should follow the problem solution proof structure. What problem you solve, how do you solve, and what proof do you have. The summary is a very crucial part of LinkedIn optimization and keyword matching. And if you'll go to profiles like Vedika Bhaiya or Unnati Bagga or Kunal Shah, you will see their profile is so well written and the summary says it all. The experience transformation. Don't just list duties, show the impact. Instead of manage social media profile, or you have done some perf optimization, or you have achieved something in your previous role, write increased social media engagement, or have improved the performance, or have taken the sales to this much extent. This brings the real impact. The skills validation. Make sure your top 3 skills align with what you want to be known for. If you want to be seen as an AI expert, make sure AI comes as one of your top skills and not something else like Google Cloud or AWS. The content consistency. Your post should reinforce your profile positioning, and most people fail at the point 2 and the point 3, which is the experience transformation and the summary story, which holds a lot crucial part. And I was feeling at the same thing. I was writing random things into it, random links, skills, everything which I could have think of, I have put in them in the summary and the experience section. Now, even after knowing this framework, implementing it effectively was the big deal, and I was lagging at it. That's why the people who are into the same niche were getting a lot of connections, lot of collaborations, lot of reach, even with less number of followers. Now, after experimenting a lot and failing at it badly, I did the same thing which any other people or you do when you are in problem, going to an expert. I instantly went to Fiverr and searched for a LinkedIn optimization expert or LinkedIn expert. I know you might be thinking, why you're going to a freelancing platform to find LinkedIn experts? Go to LinkedIn directly. No, that's the real catch. Fiverr has evolved so much. It's not just about cheap services anymore. There are genuine experts there who work for Fortune 500 companies, celebrities and top entrepreneurs. And when I searched just the LinkedIn there, I found thousands of people, hundreds of people who are serving their their services and having amazing testimonials. And then I had to look for which one I had to choose, and obviously I chose the top rated ones. And instead of one, I went ahead and hired 2 people to optimize my LinkedIn profile and also help me in writing content on LinkedIn. And you won't imagine, the results were insane. Let me completely break down the process, how I did it and what impact I was able to achieve. Finding the right seller, the first challenge was filtering through hundreds of sellers. And here's a pro tip: don't just look for reviews or testimonials or ratings. Look at the profile, look at their previous projects, and then figure out which one to choose. I shortlisted the sellers who had clear portfolios, top rated by Fiverr, and specialized especially on LinkedIn optimization. Second is the interaction process. What surprised me was the level of professionalism. These weren't just people taking orders, they were consultants. They asked me detailed questions about my goals, target audience, current challenges, and one seller even did a video call to understand my brand better. Now the deliverables were beyond my expectation. I got a completely rewritten headline, summary, optimized experience, description, content of 7 posts, even with graphics and banner design and everything were being given to me. And then the results were insane. I was able to increase my reach or impression by 220%. When it comes to engagement, they have increased a lot as well. It has increased by 246%. If you'll go to the post that I have written, my profile views have increased over the last 14, 15 or 2-3 weeks. My post impression have increased, and if you'll go, my post have gotten a lot of traction lately. If you see here, good number of traction, good number of reach on whatever content I have posted. Now this experience at Fiverr actually opened my eyes. Fiverr isn't just a freelancing platform anymore. It's like having an access to a global team of specialists, not generalists, but specialists who can help you in the thing which you exactly want and can help you achieve the results also. And no matter what you want, there will be an expert on Fiverr, be it YouTube channel optimization, be it creating graphics, or be it running a whole business. You will find people to help you out in whatever you want. And the platform itself has evolved to protect both buyers as well as sellers. The milestone system, dispute resolution, quality standards make it much safer than it used to be. Now what's next? Follow the 5-step framework that I mentioned and improve your LinkedIn profile, see what's happening, and if things doesn't work well, you know where to find the right expert to help you build your brand on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not just your resume, it's your personal brand platform. Make sure you stand out, make sure you don't miss those opportunities that are coming every day. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can check out Fiverr using the link mentioned in my description. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and if you have any doubts, please comment down below.